In a world filled with uncertainty and ever-changing desires, it has become increasingly difficult to find true fulfillment and purpose. However, hidden within the sacred scriptures lies a profound message that offers hope and a path to eternal salvation. John 3 verse 16 is a verse that has the power to change lives, to bring about a deep sense of peace, and to unlock the everlasting love and grace of our Creator. Let us embark on a journey of discovery and unveil the transformative power of this awe-inspiring revelation. Discover the profound message of John 3 verse 16, your path to eternal salvation. John 3 verse 16 holds within it the key to eternal salvation. It speaks of a love so profound, so pure, that it led to the ultimate sacrifice. For God so loved the world that he gave his one and only Son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish, but have eternal life. These words remind us that we are not alone on this journey called life. In our darkest moments, when we feel lost or burdened, we can find solace in the knowledge that there is a divine plan, a purpose for our existence. By embracing the message of John 3 verse 16, we open ourselves up to the transformative power of faith. It provides us with the opportunity to let go of our fears, our doubts, and our worldly desires. Through faith, we can find forgiveness and redemption, allowing us to experience true joy and peace. This verse serves as a reminder that our salvation is not achieved through our own works or deeds, but through our belief and trust in the eternal love and grace of God. Unveiling the transformative power of John 3 verse 16, embrace the gift of eternal life. In a world that often focuses on material possessions and temporary pleasures, John 3 verse 16 reminds us of the true treasures that await us. It invites us to shift our perspective, to seek lasting fulfillment rather than fleeting happiness. By embracing the gift of eternal life, we can find purpose beyond our worldly pursuits. Our lives take on new meaning as we recognize that our actions and choices impact not only our present but also our eternal future. John 3 verse 16 encourages us to embrace a life of love, compassion, and forgiveness. It teaches us the importance of extending grace to others, just as we have received it ourselves. By embodying the message of this verse, we can bring hope to a world desperately in need of it. The transformative power of John 3 verse 16 lies not only in how it changes our own lives but also in how it inspires us to touch the lives of others, to spread love and kindness to all we encounter. As we navigate the complexities of life, let us not forget the profound message of John 3 verse 16, the path to eternal salvation. It is an invitation to experience a love that knows no bounds, a love that offers us eternal life and purpose. Let us be inspired by this revelation, allowing it to guide our actions, our choices, and our interactions with others. Through embracing John 3 verse 16, we can unlock the transformative power of faith, and in doing so, we can find true fulfillment, joy, and everlasting peace.